tayo. Slice na tayo. Start cooking now. First, we saute this garlics. And then, onions. Ayan, tingnan nyo ang onions. Ang dami. And ito na yung aking binilad na, na lady fingers. Okra, bamia, o kaya bindia. Then, kamatis with green chilies. And then, turmeric powder, salt, and chili powder. So, we start cook now for our dish, ulam for lunch together with dinner. Isahan lang ang pagluto ng ulam for one day. And then kung may extra nito hanggang bukas pa ito ng tanghali. Kasi for breakfast always we eat paratha, chapati with tea. Now we have to put now this onions. Garlics and onions is already brown. Now we can put first this turmeric powder, salt, and chili powder. To be followed by tomatoes, green chilies. And then we have this fresh cow's milk. We have to boil this one because if you will not boil, then it will become spoiled. And this is for our tea. And just today, Fahad, he bring this organic eggs because he have one chicken there giving eggs. So this one he bring today here. So this is organic eggs. Yan, maliliit. So 13 pieces. And organic eggs is more expensive than poultry eggs. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now this okra or lady fingers. Dito putol-putulin talaga yung yung okra dito. Hindi kagaya sa atin na buo-buo. Pinuputol-putol talaga dito. Ayan, buhos na natin. Tapos cover natin. Now let's check. This is good partner of chapati, roti or kubos. But for me, rice, because I will cook also separate for me, dinengdeng or pinakbit with lady fingers, okra, eggplant, and string beans. And they like overcook, not like us. We like half cook only. But here they like overcook. So we'll cook more 2 minutes. Now let's check again. I think this is already cooked. This already overcooked. So this is already cooked. Now we have to turn off now the flame. Turn off na natin, then cover.